Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're all well. We left it like this in the last video so that we were able to give ourselves some time to go and build this. In this one, I'm going to go and make a fresh page so you can see the whole thing being built in one go. Okay, so inside your sheet, you'll need a clean page, or you can delete these if you want. So let's go and let's go and delete this, and you can go and make this. I might make a new page though, just to keep it. So I've got a series of workings out. So I'm going to go and move this out of the way. There we go. Done. I'm going to go and make a new page. So I can go to duplicate this page or make a new page if I want. Like so. It's up to you. You can have a new page. You can delete the other ones. As long as you've got a space now which to go and make your repeating pattern. So let's go and highlight this. Remember, we grouped this. So when we were grouping, we were able to just move. We were able to go and create this so it's one shape. So I'm not just picking up one piece inside here. I can go and copy, and then I can go to paste in here like so. And what I want to do now is I need a couple of layers and I need to cover my page. Okay, so I'm going to start with my page not being seen. So I need the actual edge of the page. So let's go and zoom in here. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, when I've selected my shape, okay, like this, there's the edge of my page. There's the top edge right there. That needs to be the center of my shape, because otherwise when you come to print it, you're going to see edges. And it's not, with your artwork, you want to go from edge to edge. Okay, so let's go up here and make sure you just don't see it, basically. Okay, I need to copy and paste this and then nudge it so that I can just see the kind of archway. So I need to think about my halfway points now. So let's go and copy and paste this, okay, like this. And if I just move it over like so, let's go and have a look. So if I look here, can you see there's too much of my shape underneath being showing, and it's going to look strange. So what I want to do is just bring this up so that it's out of the way, and I have this. So I have this kind of, now you won't see this underneath bit because it's going to be covered by another layer in a second. So once you've got a nice balance here like that, okay, let's go and zoom out and see what it looks like. You can see that this edge is kind of overlapped a little bit, all right? So that's fine, don't worry about that, because we can go and add an extra group, an extra piece to our group, okay? So in here you can see that I'm going to have this higgledy-piggledy area. Now some of you will be ahead of me already on this, okay? I have a piece here, okay, because I'll have had my other piece over here, okay? Don't forget, I've got them all in here anyway, so I can just degroup them and ungroup them. So I'm going to go and select this. I'm going to go and copy it. I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to stick it on the end here. Okay, so let's go and zoom in and see what this looks like. Okay, I want to zoom in that far, Mr. Glenn. Let's go to 100%. There we go. So I'm going to go and just paste that in, and I'm going to go and join that to my piece here. I'm going to go and zoom in just a little bit. And I am going to get that to the same position as I did before, just on the edge, basically. And I'm going to go and cheat and bring my guide in to there. Done. So now I've got my second layer, okay? This should be pretty straightforward now for the rest of it, because now I've got my two layers, and they're going to overlap each other. So like I did before, I don't want to go and just go paste, and just cover my page, because I'm going to get mistakes. I want to copy these two layers, paste them into a 4, group them, copy them, paste them into an 8, paste them, copy them, and paste that final 8 into a page and see where I'm at. Okay, let's just go into here. Okay, and I can now go and group all these because I want this group. So I go to arrange and group them together so I have a whole picture. Use my guides, and that's too far. Just use my arrow keys. You can see now I'm starting to get this kind of wave effect. So let's go and paste in another one. Like so. I think that's too far. Let's go and undo that and just use my shift and arrow keys. Okay, so you've got a nice balance. And what I'm talking about is the distance between each paste. You want it as even as you can possibly make it. Okay. Last job here is to actually group this one. Okay, so I want to arrange and group, and now I'm ready to go and paste my entire back page, the backdrop to my page. Okay, so I'm going to leave you here and let you have a go yourselves. Okay, and I'll see you in the next clip.